In order to change the screen zoom on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to settings, then in the settings go to display, and here we need to choose screen zoom. Over here we have this slider at the bottom where we can use it in order to adjust the zoom of the screen, so you can make the screen smaller or bigger, and that is essentially it. Besides that, you can also use developer options in order to customize the screen zoom as well. If you want to do that, in the settings, scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, and here choose Software Information. Keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then if you press OK, you should see the information that developer mode has been turned on. Go back to settings, scroll further down in order to reveal developer options, and here we need to find an option that is called, let's actually find it first because I'm not sure where it was. Let's keep going. I think it should be in the drawing here. Yeah, minimum width. So over here we can make a screen bigger or smaller by adjusting that value. So for example, if I set it to 600, then this screen will be much smaller. And if I set it to, let's say, 200, I think it should be much bigger. Well, actually the minimum width is 220 anyway, so we cannot put a lower value. But still, if you want to make it as small as possible, then you can use a really low number that allows you to adjust the width like this. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!